puts across the face of the goal, and now Croatia! Croatia scores! Croatia, Perisic! 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 Croatia are 1-0 up! Oh my god, bhai! Oh my god! There's no way. Oh my god! Bhai, they should not have conceded first, bhai. They did not. My god. ओ भाई पहले गोल नहीं खाना था भाई, पहले गोल नहीं खाना था भाई, पोर्चुगल को पहले गोल नहीं पाना था. हाय, यू मेड मी अ फुटबॉल एंथुसियास्ट. योर वीडियोस आर एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट. कीप इट अप. लव यू मैन. स्टूडेंट हूँ. आए इतने में आई लव यू भाई. आई लव यू टू, बट व्हाट?
Nikola Vlasic है. Stanisic. Vlasic again. Finding Stanisic. Cross कर सकता है. Stanisic. Who's gonna be there? मौका. Chance है. Ivan Perisic! Perisic scores! Croatia in the lead! Bro, 37 years old! Playing as a left back आज Croatia के लिए. भाई साहब. All night long we have talked about Cristiano, Luka Modric, this being the last FIFA World Cup. We haven't spoken a single word about this guy potentially playing his last FIFA World Cup as well. But then he says no.
छूती है.
Cristiano Ronaldo to equalize. Cristiano Ronaldo. Sui! Everybody! Let's go! Let's go! भाई let's go! अब आया गेम में स्वाद बेटे. अब आया गेम में स्वाद. ओए होए 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 होए. Let's go chat. अब आया मजा. अब आया मजा chat.
That goal, Cristiano has helped Portugal with that equalizer. Bhaiyo, call it whatever. This is a goal. It is 1-1 for Portugal on the night. The game is blank. Open. It is open now. 1-1 हो चुका है. Croatia scored the early goal. Portugal scored their goal. Denied. They've gotten a penalty. A lifeline. Cristiano steps up, scores that goal. Bhaiyo, 1-1 and Siwi. There's the goal, guys. There's the goal he so badly needed. Croatia will feel very hard done by it, यार. बहुत hard done by it feel करेंगे मेरे भाई यार. And this is the chance मेरे भाई. Renato Veiga box में. You can see it contact. You can see him going for the ball. You can see a push onto him. Referee said वो एक soft touch है वहाँ पे. Little touch यहाँ पे.
Ronaldo!
much. Ronaldo, please. Ronaldo steps up. Ronaldo. Vamos! Vamos! Calm it down, Modric! Modric, sit down, Modric! Sit down, Modric! Sit down, Croatia!
Portugal would want to end this game in normal time, but they would definitely love to do that. Good crossing! Claudia! Goal! Oh, Gonzalo Ramos! Oh, baby! Gonzalo Ramos! Oh my God, what a goal, bhai! What a goal! Portugal beat Croatia, man! Wow! We had it coming, दोस्तों. I told you, भाई तुम खामखा इतनी टेंशन ले रहे हो बाबू, तुम खामखा इतनी टेंशन ले रहे हो भाई, खामखा. Oh my God, what a goal, yaar! What a goal! Only for the last 15 minutes, but Croatia reminds me of 2018 run. What a goal, bhai! What a beautiful goal! क्या बॉल रख के दी उसके सर पे राफेल लियाओ ने. Oh my God, bhai! Have a look at it. What a beautiful finish! Oh, what a beautiful finish!
Rafael. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. My boy, let's go, my man. And I'm talking.
That one goal that will take this tie in their favor. Leao का cross है. Ramos! Oh मेरे भाई, Gonzalo Ramos has done that. It has happened, मेरे भाई. 90 plus 4th minute. This has the potential to be the winner. Portugal come from 1-0 down. Look at the reaction of the Croatian fans in the stands. From possibly being 2-0 up, we are seeing them at the moment getting eliminated 2-1 on the night. Gonzalo Ramos off the bench. The crosses finally worked. Ultimately, I called you. One of these crosses will land. And when they do, if they connect, that's a goal, bhai. That's a phenomenal goal. Gonzalo Ramos, take a bow, mere bhai. Always played second best to Cristiano. Shows up when they needed him the most. Blinding header, mere bhai. That's how you approach a header. Rising up against Pongrasic. Top goal, mere bhai. Guardiola couldn't do anything. Phenomenal, bhaiyo. This is it. This is it. Roberto Martinez celebrating, bhaiyo. He has done that. He has done that. Faces, the reactions, mere bhai. Croatia के players के उआमो मेरे भाई. नेटो पप्पी लेते हुए यहाँ पर रफाल लियाओ की.
Yeah! Come on! गान में डाल ले पेनल्टी को अपनी. रुक जाओ भाई, भाई कंफर्म कर लेते भाई पहले कंफर्म कर लेते. लॉन्डो पहले कंफर्म कर लेते भाई. लॉन्डो पहले कंफर्म कर लेते भाई. भाई पहले कंफर्म करेगा भाई. भाई ऑन है भाई, पूरा ऑन है. राफेल ले आओ. पता इसलिए पता है, कहते थे सब तेरे को कोमोडो ड्रैगन कहते थे, पर मैं कहता था नहीं ले आओ. मैं कहता था नहीं है कोमोडो ड्रैगन, नहीं छिपकली नहीं है, ले आओ है मेरा, ले आओ है वेंचोत। बेटे करा ना, भगवान की दुआ काम करी ना बेटे।
ले आओ बॉल डिलीवरी हेडर हेडर। Gonzalo Ramos, I love you. I love you, Gonzalo Ramos. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. Te amo. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, मैं तुमसे बहुत मोहब्बत करता हूँ। आमी तुम्हारे बाहर भालोबासी माँ के चूत में। I love you. I love you. I love you, Gonzalo Ramos. I love you. I love you so much, Gonzalo Ramos. I love you. I love you, Gonzalo Ramos. I genuinely love you, मेरे दोस्त, दिल से, दिल से। There is no number one in the world I love more than you, मेरे दोस्त. I love you so much, मेरे दोस्त. I love you so much, Gonzalo Ramos. I really love you, मेरे दोस्त.
पर बजा दे रेफरी विसल। And it's over! It is over, chat! Oh my god, my damn, what a game, bhai! What a game! What a game! What a game, bhai! Wow! What a game, bhai! Bhai, I feel sad for Luka Modric. I feel sad for Luka Modric, but W's, bhai. First time that a Croatian player would be rating his height. Should we trust the technology so much? Bhai, it is what it is. It is what it is. You have put in the technology for exactly these moments. These are the moments you have put in the technology for. उस बॉल में जो चिप डली है वो इसी मूवमेंट के लिए डली है. इसी एक मूवमेंट के लिए डली है वो बॉल में चिप. And भाई, the comeback has been completed. The comeback has been completed, भाई. We have Portugal versus Spain. We have Portugal versus Spain, chat. Oh my god, भाई, what a game, भाई. ये क्या गेम थी भाई. भाई ये क्या गेम थी, chat. भाई पागलपंती, man. This is पागलपंती, भाई. पागलपंती, भाई. Bhai, I understand, chat. I understand. Bhai, it is not rigged, chat. It is not rigged. It is not a robbery. Dekho, bhai, I understand what you're feeling right now. I understand what you're thinking right now, but that is not how it is. Rigged match. Literally rigged. No Portugal jersey marka. Hey, what?